Mamma mia!
I think Luigi has died. That means it's just the Mario died. That means it's just the Luigi show. Luigi. Oh. Hey, yeah. Maybe I should have saved him. Wait for me, Mario. I will save you, Mario. Here I come. Save Mario. Speak it to me, Mario. Speak it to me. I'll be alright. Hey, I saved Mario. Oh, no, wait a minute. He looked good for a minute, but I think he's still dead. But I know how to save him. I'm giving it a mushroom. You get a big mushroom like that, and you gotta be saved. Okay, Mario, here we go. Here we go. You catch. Oh, wait, he's dead. I can't catch it. I better bring it down to him. Okay, here we go. Okay, now Mario, I move his mouth so he chooses the mushroom. That's good, Mario. That's good. Hey, what's going on? That's right. You were dead, but I saved you, Mario. How did you save me? Oh, sorry, you didn't. I saved.
Whoa, wait, whoa.
Step into the camera, Mario.
Oh. Luigi, you're a lifesaver.
I'm a lifesaver, and you are a surf. Ah, get it, the little joke there. Never mind.
Mamma mia. It feels like to me I took drugs by now.
Drugs are bad.
Oh, shrooms!
Mushrooms. The psychedelic.
Poison mushrooms from Super Mario Bros. 2 from Japan.
Those were a prescription mushrooms. Okay, well, I'm very glad that you're saved.
Whoa, wait!
Sign off.
Wait! I have something to show the guy.
Oh, okay, you should. This will be the big finale, and then we'll sign off with today's Mario and Luigi show. You know what they say in the showbiz, you always leave them wanting more. I don't know if anybody wants any more of this. Oh. Yes, that's the cover of the the Super Mario Galaxy, the hit game that's sweeping the nation.
Best game in the whole entire universe.
And the Luigi. That's right.
You can only play as Luigi if you beat the game and you got 21 stars.
Yes, I didn't negotiate a very good deal for this one. Okay, we say goodbye for today, but we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye! Oh, no!